I said this morning, I want to talk about the trending thing, the protest yesterday, the people that protested, they all came out in masses to protest against the bad government, this bad government of Tinubu. Everybody were not happy. They were all protesting everywhere, saying no to Tinubu government. There is hunger in the land. Why don't you just bring in food, let people eat successfully in this country? But you know what? I tell you, kudos to them. But they wanted to extend it to today. But along the line, they said, okay, we've done it yesterday. Let's just quit for today. I have this message for Tinubu. People are hungry in this country. Tinubu should do something. Try to put smiles on people's face, because people voted you not to go there and misbehave like a moron. People voted you to go there and act like a proper man. But what your action over there is acting as if you don't know what you're doing. But this morning, I want to say this. Nigerians, I want you all to be on the watch out, because there's still going to be another protest. Yes, and I want to encourage soldiers to be warming up to take over from Tinubu. He doesn't know what he's doing. But I'm encouraging Nigerian soldiers, if you don't take over from Tinubu, that means you don't know what you're doing. That means your brain is not correct. You know why? Because Tinubu cannot deliver out. We need Nigerian military to take over this government, and that is the truth. My name is MC Grammar. Anytime I talk, I speak not about the truth. I tell you the in thing. But I want to tell you this morning that everybody is saying Tinubu's government is not performing. Everybody is saying Tinubu government is not performing. But this morning, I want to say this. It is high time we call it quits with Tinubu government. Then let somebody take over from Tinubu, so that we become something great in this nation. I want to say this. Until next time when I come your way, I speak nothing, I speak little, I don't speak much. Until next time I come your way, I remain yours and only MC Grammar. Please, just take this thing away from me, please. Thank you very much. Take it away from me.